Hey everybody, it's Joe from NCP Bone Outdoors, and this is my hunting backpack that I'm going to use this year, certainly starting for bow season. So in the last video you saw that I had sprayed this with that Atsko silicone spray to kind of help make it a little bit more waterproof. So now that it's sprayed, it's dried, I hung it out on my porch, I let the sun dry it, whatever. So now we're just going to kind of show you the result. So let's assume for a minute you had a little bit of rain coming down on you, and it should be able to run off fairly quickly off here. You kind of see that. You see that water isn't really sticking, it's beading up, it's dry, it's kind of falling right off. So it's actually kind of what I expected, to run off and kind of drip like that. So if I did get caught in the rain, you can see it's pouring right off. Again, it's not going to be 100% waterproof, but certainly it should protect what my contents are inside a little bit. Got that spray all on here, so kind of happy with that. See it beading up, so that's pretty good. So it's exactly kind of what I expected to happen. So yeah, so hopefully if I do get caught in a little bit of a downpour, my gear that I have inside will be a little bit better protected. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of show you the final results, that after I had sprayed it, you can see that it does kind of bead up a little bit and kind of flush and get that water kind of coming off of it. So perfect, right? You can see it running down, beading up, and then coming off. So all right, everybody, thanks for watching. Just kind of give you an update after I'd sprayed it, kind of show you what it did. So thanks everybody for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon. So take care.
Thanks for watching NCP Bone Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.